values or changes. Taking EAS with a sulfonylurea or insulin increases low blood sugar.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 575, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Kansas, Cherokee and Crawford, and the following counties in Missouri, Berry, Jasper, Lawrence, McDonald, and Newton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 575 has been issued from 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Kansas, Cherokee and Crawford, and the following counties in Missouri, Berry, Jasper, Lawrence, McDonald, and Newton.
Oh, no, this is where my street is.